The Associated Press published an article revealing that 90% of the wild horses rounded up by the Bureau of Land Management's Wild Horse and Burro program ended up in slaughterhouses. And one of those slaughterhouses was the Cavell West facility. Outraged by the article, Ferguson, together with Seattle and 2 others, lugged 35 gallons of a mixture of soap and petroleum to Redmond, Oregon. Their goal is to end Cavell West's ability to profit from slaughtering wild horses. Seattle, meanwhile, drills a series of large holes in the walls of the slaughterhouse office, making sure to wait for the loud hum from the coolers to kick on to mask the noise of drilling. After he finishes, the rest of the team fills those holes with a highly flammable fuel mix, while Seattle moves on to the building housing the refrigeration unit to again prep holes for the fuel. In a matter of minutes, the holes are full of fuel and the team places electrically timed lighters in them, ready to burn the entire place to the ground. On their way out, the group checks to make sure no one is inside the buildings. They place the remaining 10 gallons of fluid into the storage shed and pour 2 gallons of highly corrosive muriatic acid into the air conditioning vents. Seattle just has to connect the batteries to the electrical timers. A risky job, as one errant spark could set the whole building alight early. He connects the first incendiary device. Success. He moves over to the second device, and as Seattle shifts the battery towards the ignition, a spark jumps the gap. The building erupts in flames. The group needs to leave immediately or risk dying. They stream off the property, shed their clothing into a hole, pour the rest of the acid onto the heap of their shirts and pants, and covered in dirt. In just a few minutes, they pile into the getaway car, and Tubbs slams on the gas. The next day, Cavell West is ash and burnt timber. That single action dealt at least $1 million in damages. Cavell West was never again able to rebuild.